Hello kids! Have you ever seen a rhinoceros? It's so strong and have a horn on its nose. So let's create our own rhinoceros. The first step is to remove this template sheet from the book. Now, take a pair of scissors and cut along the dotted lines. Make sure you take help of your parents or friends. Now, throw all of this into the dustbin. Have a clean table. The next step is to fold this paper in half vertically like this, along the center, and crease it well. Unfold it and again fold it inside the center, like this. Crease it well. Do it with the other side. Crease it well. Now you have to fold this into a square from the center. Crease it well. Unfold it again and fold this into another half. Crease it well. Do it with the other side and crease it well. Unfold it. You will get a shape like this. What you have to do is, we have 4 sides. Now we have to keep our finger inside this flap, lift it and then flatten it to create a triangle. Make sure you have a good tip, so insert the finger nicely and give it a good crease. One side done. Follow the same step here. Insert the finger, lift it, flatten it to create a triangle. Do the same here. Fold it like this. Now flip it and fold it outside. You will get something like this. Now, to have the legs of your rhinoceros, fold this side into another half triangle like this. Do this with every leg. So we have to make 4 legs. 1, done. 2, done. Flip it. 3, done. And then 4. 4 legs, done. So what's left now? A horn and a tail. What you have to do is, you will have a mountain fold. Follow this carefully. Insert the finger inside like this. You have to use your other finger also and the thumb. And make sure you have this conical shape outside for the horn. You will get something like this. For the tail part, do the same step, but we don't have to bring anything outside. The mountain fold will remain inwards. So this is done. But the eyes is remaining. So we will take a sketch pen and draw the eyes both the sides. Draw a big circle on one side and big circle symmetrically on the other side. Our strong rhino with the horn is ready. You can play with it, make it walk, or just let it stand. Go and make more rhinoceros and have a good jungle scene. Thank you.